And okay, just to share how this thing starts and everything. Even hot soaks, cold, doesn't matter. I mean, so yeah, I have a lot of the things that I've eliminated is because, you know, you should have, along with certain components, along with having whatever I'm noticing, I should also have hard starts and stuff like that. So, you know, it's kind of mind-boggling. Same chasing the tail as ever. But not wanting to fork a bunch of C notes over to a diagnostic center. I'm waiting on a buddy that has a full-on scope and all that stuff to let me know when he'll be at this certain shop, and so that could be any time. I don't know at this point. But that's it for now.